early. This is just few minutes past 8 a.m. and we are already here. I am grateful to God for joining me. So Kaito, we dropped Kaito off at my mom's. I'm just here with Nathan. It's a quick trip. Just a quick trip in and out. But yeah, talk to you guys later. Just have to get home. Because Papa ain't been anywhere, I'm not sure about that. Weather is so cold there, Jesus. I didn't even come with sweater. I don't feel like put sweater for winter. So cold. I'll talk to you guys later. I'm not just copyright. This is giving scary movie. This is a scary movie. Guys, it's giving Final Destination. It's giving, ignore that toilet, abeg. I'm trying so hard to cover it. It's giving so. Don't forget that, abeg. Oh, yeah. Hi guys. Many days later and your girl is back to base. First of all, happy new month. Welcome to the month of August. I think here is better. Here is brighter. Let me face the light. Open this curtain safe. Yeah, better. My stay in Enugu was nice, but I didn't really feel the vibe because I didn't see my sister and I didn't see my nephew because they went for vacation. They were not even in the country, so I didn't see them. But anyways, I am back. I've been back for some days now. I've just been chilling and, you know, trying to get things back together and just being with the boys, basically. But anyways, I just wanted to talk to you guys because I realized it's been a while we spoke. But yeah, I want to go and cook actually. I want to make okra soup. This is almost 12 o'clock and I'm hungry, but I have to wait until when I'm done cooking this okra soup before I will eat. Hopefully, I don't go and carry bread and eat. But I wish I'll be able to wait until I'm done cooking. But yeah, let's go cook okra soup. It's actually been a very long while I cooked okra soup in this house. So I remember when okra used to be my best soup, but now things have changed. Guys, our meat is on fire. I have water here for washing stockfish and dry fish. I tried this pattern of just throwing the pepper in. Can you see? I just threw the pepper in because I'm trying to hurry, and also I see people do it, so let me check if it will work today, if it will actually dissolve, and I don't know if the spice will enter. I don't know. See goat meat and water. See water. Anyways, let me get along. I'm washing the vegetables over here. Little vegetable. Yeah. In progress. I feel like I need to add more palm oil to this thing because this soup is not giving yellow. Bits. I wanted to head out without talking to you guys because I have flu, catarrh and cough. Not cough, just catarrh. It's terrible, but I need to head out. I need to go to a salon. I want to go draw this week for them because the closure, I don't understand. I hope you guys can even see me because I don't even know how well my phone is placed with this one. So I washed this hair and I wanted to wear it because it's a curly hair. It doesn't really need styling, just conditioner. Just conditioner and water, right? And then I realized that the closure is now like a jack road, so I need to ventilate it. I'm taking it to a salon to get the closure ventilated, and at the same time I'm like, okay, since I'm going out, I will deliver. I think I should sit down safe. I'm stressing myself. I don't know if I see that now, if people still be seeing me. God, I beg. Anyways, I have some items here. Let me show you guys what the customer bought. She got this earring. This is a set. I'll put a picture or video of what it looks like. This is a set, a bangle, necklace, and earring. Stop now. This is an earring as well. This is an earring, and then she got a ring, a knuckle ring. I'm like, you know what, since I'm heading that side, it's close to where she stays. Like, you know what, just come out and pick up while I'll drop the stuff at the side. And then I'm going to buy some stuff for the house, and then I'll just head back home. Just quick out and in. But yeah, I'm really down. I wouldn't have gone out today, but I have things to get for myself. I'm even having cramps as well. Like, it's a lot, but hopefully we don't look like what we are going through. But yeah, let's go. You know that phase where you're done having like very serious cold? It's about to rain again, so very serious cold. Like as at in the morning I was shivering, and then I'm now very hot. I don't know if you've experienced, it's almost like fever. The next minute you're shivering, this moment you're shivering, and the next minute you're sweating. But yeah, let me quickly head out and yeah, talk later. Okay, bye guys. Guys, it's been like over almost a week now. Anyways, I'm just planning and prepping for the boys starting their holiday lessons. I think Aito is going to start. Not I think, I've decided he's going to start this holiday lesson. He was supposed to start school September, right? Full term. But I just thought, let him just start this holiday, because even himself, he's ready to start going to school. This last term that ended, this third term, when Neto wakes up, he wakes up like he does everything with him. When he's dressing up, he'll bring Neto's shoe, he'll bring his socks, he'll help in dressing Neto up. And when Neto leaves, he'll cry for a long time. So I was like, you know what, even myself, I need time for myself. I need time to do some other things. So let them just start going for the lesson together. And they'll start next week. Next week is when their school is starting. Neto's school is starting their lesson. So I just got some things for them. I'll go to market next week. I've been busy, so I couldn't go to the market. I need to get school bag, new lunch box, new lunch bag, new everything. And then I got some. I need to hurry up because the boys are sleeping, so I can go and join them and rest. I'm so stressed. Let me show you some of the snacks that we bought for them. Yeah. This is it. This is crackers, Pelosi. They love these biscuits so much, and I used to love it when I was growing up. And when I found out that it still exists, I had to buy it. This is cabin, and this is another biscuit. I know the biscuit, but I can't explain it to you guys. Then we have this thing. This is juice, Capri Sun. This is that yogurt, and then there is Chivita. Then these are just some house stuffs. Anyways, granola oil, happy vegetable oil, Dano, some and Milo. Nothing really much. I'll still be good. I'll go to the market. Today is Saturday. Just got these ones. Next week they're supposed to start the lesson on Tuesday, but I'm not sure they'll go on Tuesday, because on Tuesday I want to go to the market. But that will be in another vlog, because I've dragged this vlog for so freaking long. Guys, we've had more than 7 days uninterrupted power supply until yesterday. And yesterday, so they took it, they've not brought it again. I'm like, God, I beg you, let it not be 7 days on, 7 days off, because unlike them, I don't think there's anything I have to say. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. Please subscribe, give the video a thumbs up. Okay? Yeah, bye guys. My vlog is shaming me. It's shameful, but I don't know what else to do in this vlog, because there's really nothing. Everything will just start next week, and I don't want this vlog to enter next week, so I'd rather just end it now and start a new vlog next week, not tomorrow, next week, maybe on Monday or Tuesday when I start going out. Anyways, bye guys.